Alright, hey. Don't mind the cat on the chair. This isn't gonna take long, so I'm gonna do this build. That guy. Lego study set. 2 cops, 2 robbers, an ATM, a dog, and a little Jeep. Alright. Let's do this. Alright. It's gonna take more than 5 minutes long, so. Do a live build. Alright, so instructions say put pieces together. Got it. I was like building sets, even if it's a little flimsy set. Got a backpack. The cat's saying hello. Gray hat. It's like all these things. Those hats are kind of cool. I always like those hats. The stocking cap, burglar hat, whatever you want to call it. And he's in total agreement. Oh, that's not the right hat, not the right shirt. Yeah, well, I'll do it anyway. This is missing pieces. Alright, nice. Well, screw him. Let's build a Jeep. So that was missing pieces. That's good to know. Is this missing pieces? Let's find out. We have 1,000 burglars, so it's not a big issue. Oh, let's go here. Okay. So far. I don't mind blowing us like that, but that's fine. 1,000 criminals. Yes, Snowball, you are fine. This piece. There's some little handles. I always like those things. Very cool. We need the double, single. The great lightsaber blade. And then mules. And they dropped a head. Alright, that's fine. 1,000 heads anyway. As you say, I have a lot of minifigures on my sets, so I could die for it, but I'm just gonna build the vehicle. And maybe the ATM, because the ATM is kind of something I need. For those watching, yes, this is those I built, but it's a quick, easy set. Not 5 minutes yet. Deal with it. Plus, you heard a cat, so that was kind of fun. So let's go back. The sirens. So there's that. The drive. Well, the ATM. There's coming out a bunch of ATMs in my town. I have 2 banks. I have the one over here, and then I have the one over here. And if you don't know what I'm pointing to, that's on you. So I got the computer. So like, I got a couple hundreds put in here. And then I put the little fed piece, the cover. ATM. See, I can build a bunch of those. I can master this that easily. In a variety of ways. Well, saying that one dude doesn't have a head, so I'm going to finish building at least one of these two carbs. Let's build the dude with the shades. Somehow I don't have a helmet. Yeah, I think I screwed up badly. No. There's him. He's one of the guys. It's missing a lot of pieces. That's nice. Flashlight. Yeah. Oh, let's put this guy. Yeah. Crowbar. Alright, well. That's that at least. Right. Well, that was a live build. An incomplete live build, but a live build. Right. Thanks for watching. The 800 subscriber number just keeps fluctuating. But, alright. Later.